Introducing the ultimate outdoor adventure for kids, the Net Rock Climber. Designed with safety and fun in mind, this innovative play equipment is perfect for active youngsters looking to explore and conquer new heights. At the heart of the Net Rock Climber are 6 to 7 sturdy supports strategically placed for little hands and feet to grip and ascend confidently. Each support is crafted with the utmost care using top-quality materials, ensuring durability and stability for countless hours of play. But the excitement doesn't stop there. On the backside of the climber, you'll find premium quality nets that provide an exhilarating challenge for aspiring climbers. These nets are meticulously woven to withstand rigorous play while offering just the right amount of resistance to make the climb both thrilling and safe. With the Net Rock Climber, kids can unleash their inner adventurer as they scale new heights, build confidence, and develop essential motor skills in a secure outdoor environment. Made with the finest materials and built to last, it's the perfect addition to any playground or backyard. So, why wait? Bring the thrill of climbing to your little ones with the Net Rock Climber and watch as they embark on endless adventures right in your own backyard.